This is the wonderful temple of Guangxiao.
Initially built during the Han Dynasty as a private house, Guangxiao Temple was used as a lecture hall before being dedicated completely to the function of a Zen Buddhist temple during the Southern Song Dynasty. Situated at the north of Guangxiao Road, Guangxiao Temple, also known as a Bright Filial Piety Temple, is among the grandest and most influential temples in China, with a history dating back more than 1,700 years. In fact, it is said that Guangxiao Temple existed before the birth of Guangzhou city. In 1961, it was designated by the State Council as a key national cultural preservation site.
Discover Guangzhou.